another beautiful frosty day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it, and I'm glad that you could join me. Welcome. So imagine, if you will, you're in town minding your own business. Hi, I'm in town minding my own business. And out of nowhere, a gang of hoodlum townies appear. Oh no! And their ringleader, Jake, wants to take your truck, squat it, and put useless rims on it.
Hey, pretty tired for a sissy redneck.
What do you do? I reach into the center console and I pull out. No. YouTube will not allow that. I guess I get in the truck and leave. But it's cold. And your glow plug button fails. I unhook the wires and I touch them together. Way too dangerous. You could catch your dash on fire. Even if I had a spare button, I don't have the time to replace it. Okay. There's a slower gang. There's two gangs now? No, just the slow one. Wait, why aren't you in town? Well, A, this is your imagination, and I'm no therapist, but you probably subconsciously think that the woods is safer than the town. And B... Hold on, stay right there. I swear, this guy, come on, it's... And B, that town has two gangs. One of them is grannies who want to squat trucks. Never mind. This is just pure insanity. Since we obviously cannot go to town to buy a spare button without having a spare button, I mean, obviously, I figured we could take this bad one that we pull out of there and see if we can't fix it, or whatever we need to do.
China!
So upon closer examination, it looks to me like this post is discolored from that one, and it kind of looks like bubbled or overheated. So I think what we need to do is try and pull these tabs and get this whole cover off. So I think you can probably see, yep, that one's burnt out. Let's take this off and see. Oh yeah, would you look at that? Would you look at that? So it looks like how this works is when it's pressed down in here, you push the button and it pushes everything over. That whole entire like tray with the spring just moves over, and the contacts slide up into here through that and touch these contacts, and you have power. So we'll clean that up, and then I noticed this one, it's got a hole in it. There, that one doesn't. So I don't know, maybe a little drop of solder might be the ticket. Let's give that a try. Little sandpaper to the rescue, and look at that. All right, let's solder that piece. Oh, that piece. And there we go. That's all clean, and a little dollop of solder on there, and we're ready to reassemble it and see if it works. I mean, if this works, we saved like $7s of dollars. And there we go. I mean, it'll work at least once, maybe twice. Let's go throw it in the truck and see if it works. Well, while I'm installing this minty new switch we made, how about we do a little, let me learn you something with kicks. So some of you might be asking yourself or asking me, kicks, what's even the point of having a glow plug push button or a glow plug switch or whatever? I don't really get it. So this is your glow plug controller. And they go bad. They're like 30, 40 bucks. They're notorious for going bad. And now I didn't do this. I got the truck this way, but this is exactly probably how I would have done it. As you can see, there is a red wire and a blue wire on the opposite posts of the glow plug controller. And it goes, here's a wire, and it goes into the firewall. And from the firewall, it goes up into your dash behind the faceplate there and connects to your switch or push button, whatever you want to put in there. And then, just drill like a 5/8 hole there. Push it through. Clean, installed. And the reason for this is that costs $7 versus $40 for the glow plug controller. And also you can regulate how long you want it on for. You're in control of it. It's a popular upgrade to do to trucks in the north, especially, where it's cold and maybe you can't plug it in because you're working somewhere or something of that nature. So that is what is known as the push button conversion. Old good working switch out. New rebuilt-ish switch in. Let's see if it'll work. Look at that. It works. Glow plugs. See, we can fix anything. And don't worry, I'll give you a cold start. We got to do it. Everybody loves a good how dare you cold start.
How dare you!
Man, is this truck such a sweetheart. And the other day I put like 5 gallons of good gas in. And the idle is so much better. It's such a sweetheart. So it looks like all that's left to do is take the good switch or other good switch, throw it in the center console for a later time and date, and we'll be good to go. And I know what you're thinking.
You can read minds.
You're thinking, Kix, I actually learned something today. Well, I'm glad you learned something, but I have one more thing for you to learn. Be blessed. Peace. Man, I have the weirdest daydreams when I'm splitting wood. There's no way that I could show that on YouTube. Be blessed. Peace.